Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you amazing Arbor Pergola design ideas and tips to transform outdoor living space into with Arbor-style pergolas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. In the world of outdoor design, few structures exude the timeless elegance and charm of an arbor pergola. This captivating fusion of architectural artistry and functional design has graced gardens and patios for centuries, offering a harmonious blend of shade, privacy, and aesthetic appeal. Whether you seek a tranquil retreat amidst lush greenery or a stylish gathering spot for outdoor soirees, an arbor pergola seamlessly enhances any outdoor space. The term arbor pergola encompasses a range of outdoor structures that typically feature an open framework of beams and rafters, often adorned with climbing vines or latticework. These structures serve as both decorative elements and functional additions to gardens, patios, and walkways. While the terms arbor and pergola are often used interchangeably, there are subtle distinctions between these two structures. An arbor typically features a smaller, more intimate design, often employed as a garden entrance or focal point. Pergolas, on the other hand, are generally larger and more open-air structures, often extending over patios, walkways, or pool areas. The appeal of arbor pergola design extends far beyond its aesthetic charm. These structures offer a multitude of benefits that enhance the functionality and enjoyment of outdoor spaces. First, shade and shelter. Arbor pergolas provide a welcome respite from the harsh sun's rays, creating a cool and inviting oasis for relaxation and outdoor activities. Second, privacy and enclosure. Strategically placed arbor pergolas can define and enhance privacy within your outdoor space, creating secluded corners for quiet contemplation or intimate gatherings. Third, aesthetic enhancement. Arbor pergolas serve as captivating focal points, adding depth, dimension, and visual interest to gardens, patios, and walkways. Fourth, vertical gardening support. The open framework of arbor pergolas provides an ideal support structure for climbing plants, transforming the structure into a verdant haven. Creating a truly beautiful arbor pergola involves careful consideration of both form and function. Here are some key design principles to keep in mind. First, scale and proportion. Ensure the arbor pergola is appropriately sized for the space it occupies, maintaining a harmonious balance with surrounding elements. Second, material selection. Choose materials that complement the overall style of your outdoor space, considering durability, weather resistance, and aesthetic appeal. Third, stylish details. Incorporate decorative elements such as latticework, lighting fixtures, or climbing vines to enhance the visual appeal of the structure. Fourth, functional considerations. Consider the intended use of the arbor pergola, ensuring adequate shade, privacy, or accessibility as needed. The choice of material for your arbor pergola plays a crucial role in its longevity, aesthetics, and overall appeal. Popular options include: first, wood. Timeless and versatile, wood offers warmth, natural beauty, and a variety of design possibilities. Second, vinyl. Low maintenance and durable, vinyl pergolas provide a practical and stylish solution. Third, metal. Sleek and contemporary, metal pergolas offer a modern aesthetic and lasting performance. And to complete your inspiration, here these the top 10 arbor pergola design ideas. 1. A romantic retreat. Design an arbor pergola draped in fragrant climbing roses, creating a secluded haven for intimate moments. 2. A serene sanctuary. Surround your arbor pergola with lush greenery, fostering a tranquil oasis amidst nature's embrace. 3. A culinary canvas. Integrate an arbor pergola into your outdoor dining area, providing a picturesque setting for alfresco gatherings. 4. A sun-kissed oasis. Position your arbor pergola to capture the morning sun, creating a vibrant and cheerful ambience. 5. An enchanting entranceway. Frame your garden entrance with an arbor pergola adorned with cascading vines, welcoming visitors into a realm of enchantment. 6. A verdant canopy. Create a lush canopy overhead by planting vines that climb and intertwine across the pergola's latticework. 7. A dramatic focal point. Elevate your arbor pergola's presence by incorporating a striking chandelier or pendant lights, casting a warm and inviting glow. 8. A cozy retreat. Furnish your arbor pergola with plush seating and cozy blankets, transforming it into an intimate haven for relaxation. 9. A playful oasis. Design an arbor pergola for children, incorporating swings, climbing structures, and whimsical play elements. 10. A multifunctional masterpiece. Integrate your arbor pergola into your outdoor kitchen or bar area, creating a seamless extension of your living space. As you embark on the journey of creating your own arbor pergola, allow your creativity to flourish. Embrace the interplay of materials, textures, and colors, and let your design reflect your personal style and vision. Join the Homes Decor Designs YouTube channel for more inspiring design ideas and expert advice on transforming your outdoor spaces into havens of tranquility. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of amazing arbor pergola design ideas for your inspiration. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.